apartment complex and you're here. Why would you be here? This is where I reside now. How do you know anything about Ronald? Who is Ronald? Now that's pretty funny, man. If I was God, I would have a mask on that said I was Ooga Booga Shackle. We can play word games. I'm not here to play 5-year-old word games. Treat me like an adult. That doesn't matter. That's irrelevant. Irrelevant to what? Have I committed a crime? So if someone called you and told you I committed a crime, have they sworn a document to you? Do you have a document in your hand saying, with a signature on it, saying that I committed a crime, or are you just alleging it? Because if you're alleging it, I want you to put your signature on it and say that you saw the crime happen, because no crime has happened, you're lying. And if he said mischief was committed, that's a private matter. I have 2 residences. By contract, I have paperwork to prove both. What paperwork do you have, sir? So if you come in here because I did something over there, I live over there too. That's a matter for the landlord-tenancy agreement. It's outside of your jurisdiction. We go to arbitration if we have a problem. Unless he's alleging that I assaulted him in some way. And if he's alleging that, I want to see it in writing. Otherwise, I think all you're doing is acting on hearsay, and that's improper. Well, no crime's been committed, so you are committing a crime by not going away. But thank you for admitting here on this recording that you are not going away and you are going to commit a crime. When you've been asked as an officer of the court, you are committing a crime. You have no paperwork saying you can be here. You're telling me that. You've already admitted that, and you're refusing to leave. You're committing trespass. That's a crime. You are breaking statutory law right now. You are violating your oath as an officer right now. Because you don't know why you're here. $55389. I don't know who you is. I am always peaceful. So if you guys open the door, you will be the only people who chose to not be peaceful. And you'll have to break the law because I have a contract over at that other building. And there's every reason for me to be in that building. If someone alleges that I've committed a crime, I'd be happy to talk to you about it. But I've committed no crime. And you're getting everything you need right now. You want to intimidate me with your weapons by being in my presence. Don't lie about that. You know what you want to do. Yes, that's what you want to do. You have 3 weapons on you right now. You've got several people with you with 3 weapons on them. That's incredibly intimidating. You are violating my personal space. I feel threatened and unsafe, extremely unsafe right now. In fact, I've called 3 friends and told them how unsafe I feel, and they are broadcasting this to other people, showing them that you are violating my rights. Because you have no criminal complaint. You've been asked to leave my property, and you are refusing to do so. You are not an officer of the court then, because you're not acting as one. You have an obligation. You have a duty. I have a duty to secure this property from people who don't properly identify themselves. If you don't give me paperwork saying you're supposed to be in the property and you come in without it, you're violating the law. If you come in saying that someone at another property said that you could be here, you're also violating the law. You can't come in here and say that there was a crime. You can't fabricate crime, my friend. It needs to be in writing. If there's not a signature on a piece of paper saying exactly what the crime is, there's no crime. It's just alleged. Okay, so I haven't done anything criminal, so why are you here?